today's lesson, we'll write a JavaScript function that performs an HTTP GET request using fetch and returns a promise. You will learn how to handle network responses cleanly with then and catch. We'll break the code down and see how it works step by step. Let's begin with the problem statement. The idea is to create a wrapper function around the native fetch method. We want this function to return a promise that resolves with JSON data or rejects with an error. This is especially useful when building modular or reusable network utilities. Let's look at the function definition next. The function make-gets-request takes a URL and returns a promise. We use fetch to make the request, then check if the response is okay. If it is, we pass the JSON and resolve it with the result. Otherwise, we catch and reject any errors during the request. We first begin by making a request using fetch. Next, we validate the response. If everything is fine, we convert the body to a JSON. That data is then passed to the promises resolve method. If anything goes wrong, we catch it and call reject to handle the error properly. In our first call, the server returns a successful 200 status, and we see the data printed. In the second case, fetch fails, and we see an error in the console. Now let's discuss where you can use this in real projects. You can now convert all the APIs to promise-based ones. This makes your code easier to maintain, especially using async await in frameworks like React. Clear success and failure flows also, improving debugging. Let's recap what we've learned. We now have a reusable function for making HTTP GET requests using promises. It is clean, readable, and perfect for use with modern async workflows. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.